Take a ride in the 2022 Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, compass. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.